Not too long ago, I was struggling with my finances, feeling stuck in a never-ending cycle of debt and stress. Then, one evening, after an exhausting day, I stumbled upon a concept that completely shifted my perspective. It wasn't about chasing money or working harder. Instead, it was about changing my thoughts and beliefs about wealth and abundance. By simply altering the way I viewed my financial situation and affirming positive thoughts, I started to see opportunities I had never noticed before. My life began to change, and I realized that the universe really does listen when you shift your mindset. It worked for me, and this can work for you too, if you're open to trying it. Many of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. We'd like to invite you to subscribe to this channel. It's completely free for you, but it means everything to us.
To attract wealth and prosperity, it's essential to understand the power of your thoughts and beliefs. Every thought you think and every word you speak is an affirmation. Your affirmations are the building blocks of your experience. When you constantly affirm that you are struggling or that there is never enough money, you are essentially inviting those experiences into your life. Think about it. The universe is always responding to your energy, whether it's positive or negative. If you focus on lack and limitations, you will continue to experience them. However, if you start to shift your focus towards abundance and gratitude, you will begin to notice a change. It's about creating a mental environment where wealth and prosperity can thrive. Begin by making simple affirmations part of your daily routine. Say things like, "I am open to receiving all the wealth life offers me," or "I am a magnet for prosperity." At first, it might feel strange or even untrue, but with repetition, these statements start to shape your reality. They help to reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning it with the vibrations of abundance. It's also crucial to release any negative beliefs you may have about money. Many of us have been conditioned to see money as the root of all evil, or believe that it's difficult to come by. These limiting beliefs can block the flow of wealth into your life. Take some time to reflect on your attitudes towards money. Are they serving you, or are they holding you back? One effective way to change your mindset is to practice gratitude. Start by appreciating what you already have. This doesn't mean you should settle for less, but rather that you recognize the abundance in your life, right now. Gratitude creates a positive energy that attracts even more good things into your life. Each day, make a list of things you are grateful for. It could be anything from a roof over your head to a kind word from a friend. Visualization is another powerful tool. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself living a prosperous life. Imagine in detail what it looks like, feels like, and even smells like. The more vivid your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. This practice helps to align your energy with the frequency of wealth and abundance. It's also important to take inspired action. Positive thinking and affirmations are crucial, but they need to be paired with actions that move you towards your goals. This doesn't mean working harder for the sake of working harder, but rather taking steps that feel right and aligned with your new positive mindset. These actions should come from a place of confidence and expectation of success. Let go of any guilt or fear associated with wealth. Often people fear they will be judged or ostracized for having money, or they feel guilty for wanting more. Understand that wealth is not a finite resource. By attracting prosperity, you are not taking away from others. In fact, You are setting an example and potentially inspiring others to do the same. Wealth allows you to do more good in the world. Accept the idea that you deserve to be prosperous. Self-worth plays a significant role in attracting wealth. If you don't believe you deserve abundance, you will subconsciously sabotage your efforts to achieve it. Affirmations can help build your sense of deservingness. Statements like, "I deserve to be financially successful," or "Wealth is my birthright," can help shift your mindset. Understand that setbacks are part of the process. There will be times when things don't go as planned, but these are not failures. Instead, see them as learning opportunities and stepping stones towards your goals. Every successful person has faced challenges and obstacles. What sets them apart is their resilience and ability to learn from these experiences. Consistency is key. Changing your mindset and attracting wealth doesn't happen overnight. It requires daily practice and a commitment to maintaining a positive outlook. Make these practices part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Over time, they will become second nature, and you will start to see the results. In addition to mental practices, take care of your physical and emotional well-being. Stress and poor health can block the flow of positive energy. Make sure you are eating well, getting enough sleep, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. Your physical state has a direct impact on your mental state and vice versa. Always stay open to learning and growing. The journey to attracting wealth and prosperity is ongoing. There are always new techniques and insights to explore. Stay curious and be willing to adapt as you learn more about yourself and the world around you. By doing so, you will continue to expand your capacity for wealth and prosperity. To maintain a flow of prosperity, it's helpful to develop a mindset of abundance. This means recognizing and celebrating the successes you achieve along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward is a sign that you are aligning more closely with the universe's abundant nature. By acknowledging and appreciating these moments, you reinforce the belief that you are moving in the right direction. Additionally, paying attention to the language you use daily can significantly impact your mindset. Words are powerful, and the way you speak about your circumstances can shape your reality. Instead of saying, "I can't afford this," try saying, "I'm choosing to spend my money differently right now." This subtle shift can help you feel more in control of your financial decisions and open your mind to possibilities rather than limitations. Building a network of supportive and like-minded individuals can also be beneficial. Surround yourself with people who encourage your growth and share similar values about wealth and prosperity. These relationships can provide motivation, inspiration, and practical advice. Share your goals and dreams with these individuals and be open to receiving their support and guidance. Regularly reviewing and setting new financial goals is another key aspect. Goals give you direction and purpose, helping you to stay focused on what you want to achieve. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps and track your progress. This practice not only keeps you organized, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you reach each milestone. Consider the energy flow in your living and working spaces as well. Clutter and disorganization can create mental blocks and hinder your ability to attract wealth. Take time to clean and organize your surroundings, creating a space that feels open and inviting. This can help to clear your mind and make way for new opportunities and ideas. Investing in yourself is crucial for long-term prosperity. This can mean different things for different people, whether it's pursuing further education, learning new skills, or taking care of your health. The more you enhance your capabilities and well-being, the better equipped you are to attract and sustain wealth. View personal development as an ongoing process and prioritize activities that contribute to your growth. Balancing work and relaxation is essential for maintaining a healthy mindset. While it's important to take action towards your goals, it's equally important to give yourself time to rest and recharge. Overworking can lead to burnout, which can negatively affect your productivity and outlook. Make time for hobbies, social activities, and relaxation to keep your energy levels balanced and your mind clear. Charity and generosity also play a significant role in attracting wealth. Giving back to others can create a positive flow of energy and abundance in your life. This doesn't necessarily mean giving money. It can also involve donating your time, skills, or resources. Acts of kindness and generosity can boost your sense of fulfillment and create a ripple effect of positivity. Staying open to new opportunities is vital. Sometimes, the path to prosperity might come from an unexpected direction. Be willing to explore different avenues and consider opportunities that you might not have initially thought of. This openness can lead to innovative ideas and ventures that align with your goals and values. Understanding the emotional aspects of money can help you to develop a healthier relationship with it. Reflect on how money makes you feel and address any negative emotions that arise, whether it's fear, guilt, or shame. Working through these emotions can help you to create a more positive and empowering mindset about money. Education about financial management is another important aspect. Equip yourself with knowledge about budgeting, saving, investing, and other financial practices. The more informed you are, the more confident you will feel in making financial decisions. Celebrating your progress and achievements can keep you motivated. Take time to acknowledge and reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. These celebrations don't have to be extravagant. Even small rewards can reinforce positive behavior and help to keep you motivated towards your goals. Mindfulness and meditation can also be valuable tools in attracting wealth and prosperity. These practices help to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase focus. By incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your daily routine, you can improve your mental clarity and create a more peaceful and receptive state of mind. Building resilience is key to overcoming setbacks and challenges. Understand that obstacles are a natural part of the journey and view them as opportunities for growth. Develop a resilient mindset by staying positive, adaptable, and committed to your goals. This resilience will help you to navigate difficulties and emerge stronger. Lastly, cultivating a sense of joy and passion in your pursuits can significantly enhance your ability to attract wealth. When you are passionate about what you do, it doesn't feel like work. This enthusiasm can attract positive energy and opportunities, making it easier to achieve your financial goals. Follow your passions and interests and let them guide you towards a prosperous and fulfilling life.
As you start applying these principles, you'll notice shifts in your life. It's incredible what a change in mindset can do. I encourage you to try these steps and see how they can help you attract wealth and prosperity. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more insights. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below and share how you're planning to attract more abundance into your life. Let's continue this journey together.